Okay guys, before we get started, I would just like to say that today is going to be a short video. After recording all day, working on the truck, getting stuff done, I found out that more than half of the video did not have audio. So I'm basically just waving my hands around, and I'm sure you guys wouldn't understand what I was trying to explain. But I got the inner rocker all welded in and ground down, and right here I'm working on the kick panel, getting everything cut and fitted. So that is going to be tacked in place. You guys probably won't see that because that part does not have audio. But the end of the video, last few clips, does have audio, so I'll just run that, and hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I know these aren't the best welds in the world, but hey, it's gonna hold and it's not gonna come out of there. So got this all tacked up. I did a couple there, or some sort of something there, and another one back here. Did that whole seam back as far as I could get it, close to the floor. And now I think we're gonna try and pinch this all back together and start spot welding that back in. So we got everything, we got the kick panel all welded in place. Everything on the inside, it's all good. Everything's good. We got rocker panel all cut out. Seams are pretty close. Everything's clamped in place. Everything's good along the back side. Good here. Whole way down, around. Holes lined up. Everything looks pretty good. I think that's where we're gonna leave it for today. I'll just keep working at it. Get this rocker tacked in place, get some holes drilled for spot welds, and then start working on the cab corner. And after that, we're gonna flip the cab on her back and start sandblasting. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.